In the small, sleepy town of Bopeville, life was ordinary. Until a strange sound emerged from the Old Town radio station. One morning, as the sun rose, a mysterious melody echoed through the air, rippling like magic. No one knew who played it. But what happened next was historic. Old Farmer Benga, watering his garden, suddenly twisted his back, not in pain, but in rhythm. His hoe turned into a dance stick, his scarecrow clapped, the goats moonwalked. Soon, the sound spread to the school playground. Children dropped their books mid-spelling test. Miss Tilly, their serious teacher, tried to resist, but her hips had other plans. The chalkboard turned into a disco screen. The class breakdanced in sync, uniforms flying, glasses shaking. Meanwhile, at Bopeville Market, Mama Jollof, known for her loud mouth and fried plantain, suddenly did the splits while flipping fish. Her tomatoes bounced, her onions rolled, and she didn't miss a beat. Market men twisted sacks of rice into ribbon twirls. A parrot did the robot on a pepper basket. At the hospital, the doctors thought it was a disease, but then the nurses began to moonwalk down the halls. Patients in wheelchairs popped and locked. Even the stethoscope danced. Soon the entire world caught the vibe. In offices, serious bosses dabbed mid-meeting. Lawyers twerked over case files. Engineers beatboxed under bridges. Pilots danced in cockpits. On autopilot, thankfully. Even the animals joined. Cats did salsa, dogs breakdanced in circles, cows waltzed, owls spun on tree branches, and ants formed a conga line. The president went live, delivering his speech in full moonwalk, flanked by backup dancers from every continent. "Today we dance," he declared. Then, one small girl named Nia stood on a box at the village square and shouted, "Let the music play forever!" And it did, not just in their ears, but in their hearts. From then on, every evening in Bopeville, the entire world, humans and animals, gathered in colorful outfits to dance under the magic of the sky. Fulfillment wasn't found in riches anymore. It was found in groove. The beat had hit the world, and no one would ever walk the same again.